So I'm here at the big cathedral that's quite popular in Barcelona. I'd say about a 45 minutes walk from my hostel. I did not take the subway. I kind of walked. I think it's good to walk in the city. This city is a walking city. So if you, I guess, Google Barcelona, more than likely this picture will come up. This is huge. And you know, we have good weather today, a decent crowd, so not too bad. It's one of the things to do around here. Being a tourist today. But it does have a good feel to see those things in pictures in a computer, and then you actually get to be there in person and to see them. I think sometimes I take that for granted, but yeah. So, all right, folks. Can't keep showing the same thing, so let's show some Christmas stuff. Okay, I think this is it for me. Again, did a lot of walking today, and basically just got a feel of the city. So lots of eat street food. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna head back to hostel. My feet is hurting. I'm tired. I'm gonna get a little break. I'll go on the internet, make contact with some people. Then get something to eat again for tonight, and see where it goes from there. So, looks like a nice view right here. There it is. I'll take it in portrait mode. Alright folks, so this is it for me. More videos to come from Barcelona. Okay.